Easy now, it's your boy Master G. So I bought the S1 boots to match up with my two-piece RST suit. I was really happy with them for £100. They're a little bit stiff wearing them in, and they're a bit tight for a size 8. But other than that, I was really happy with them. Took them a ride down to the Mucky Duck, and after maybe about an hour or so, I felt a discomfort in my toe. I looked down and saw that the slider has got 2 bolts, and the back one had come loose. When I got home, I tried to remove the bolt with an Allen key, and it was just spinning round. So I had to then pinch the fastener with the needle nose pliers and remove the Allen key. I managed to get it sort of back on, but it tore up all the leather on the boot, which obviously isn't good. I messaged the company and said to them that there's obviously some sort of issue with the boot itself. I'd also noticed when I was looking for boots that there were a couple of pairs on eBay that had the same issue, so it might be a fundamental issue with the design of the boot. Other than that, I really like them, so if the company send out another pair and they're fine, I'd happily recommend them, but at the moment there is a point of concern. I hope this is useful to anyone that's looking to buy some. Peace.